Hello, welcome to this YLOC tutoring video. Today we'll be going over lesson number 18. So, write the unit you'd use to measure each, right? At centimeter, meter, or kilometer. So, centimeter is about the length of maybe half your thumb. A meter is about an adult guy's arm span when you spread your arms out to the side and measure tip from tip. And a kilometer is about half a mile-ish. So, the length of a crayon, you'd use centimeters, because a crayon is not that big. The length of a carrot, use centimeters, because it is not that big. Length of a chalkboard, that's kind of big, so we'd use meters. The length of a playground, we'd use maybe meters. I would use meters, but I guess you could also use kilometers. The length of a butterfly, centimeters. Length of a highway, kilometers. Kilometers, massive. Blocks length, maybe. Choose the better estimate. Milliliters, 3 milliliters, or 3 liters. Probably 3 liters. 3 milliliters is about yay much in a tiny little cup. 400 milliliters or 400 liters? Probably 400 milliliters, because 400 liters is about one of those... is about half of one of those fire trucks you see rolling around. 2 milliliters or 2 liters? Honestly, I think it would be 2 liters. But even that seems a bit big. 2 milliliters would be about that much, by the way. Choose the better estimate. Gotta love these guys. 25 degrees Fahrenheit or 95 degrees Fahrenheit? Well, 25 degrees Fahrenheit is below freezing, so I'd say 95. 56 degrees Fahrenheit or 98 degrees Fahrenheit? 56 degrees probably just... it's cold, but it's not too cold. 0 degrees Celsius or 22 degrees Celsius? Well, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, so I'd say around 0. 8 degrees Celsius or 25 degrees Celsius? 8 degrees Celsius, that's almost freezing. 25 degrees Celsius, that's habitable. Word problem. Sam's garden has 2 flower beds. One is 8 feet long, the other is 5 feet long. How many feet of flowers does Sam have in total? 13 feet, I do believe, because you just add the 2 together. 8 plus 5, you get 13. Maya started doing her homework at 3:15. She finished at 4 p.m. Okay, so in 1 hour there's 60 minutes, so that goes from... so to go from 15 to 4, you go... it's 3:15, you gotta go quarter, 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 and 1/4 of an hour is... 1/4 of an hour is 15, so you need 3/4, so that's 45 minutes. Carlos bought 2 apples for 50 cents each and a sandwich for $3.25. So $3.25 plus 2 times 0.5, which is $3.25 plus 1, which is $4.25. Alright, in the morning the temperature was 48 degrees Fahrenheit. By the afternoon the temperature had risen by 17 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the temperature in the afternoon? You want to add these two together. 48 plus 17, you just 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Bada bing, bada boo. And that's today's tutoring video. Thank you very much for watching. Just a reminder, Celsius... okay, let's start with Fahrenheit. This is 0 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's call this 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This around 32 degrees Fahrenheit. This is about how Celsius works. This is 100 degrees Celsius at this end, 0 degrees Celsius at this end, and 100 degrees Fahrenheit is maybe, I think, 35? Let me just double check this. 37, not 35. So, you're used to, I don't know, let's say a cool 80 degrees weather, so that'd be around 26 degrees Celsius. So this is how the scale works. At 0 degrees Celsius, the water's frozen, you get ice. Past this, you get water. And at 100 degrees, you get steam. It starts boiling off. Whereas with Fahrenheit, you get ice at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and water starts boiling around 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, since you probably live in the US, you're probably more used to Fahrenheit, but everywhere else except for, I think, Liberia, maybe, we're the only ones who use Fahrenheit. Everyone else, they use Celsius. And just to give you an idea of what meters look like, one meter is about the arm span of a guy. So that's about 1 meter. And that's also about, or no, 2 meters, sorry, 2 meters, I think. Let's double check this. Yeah, it's about 2 meters-ish. So that's about maybe 5 feet-ish, 6 feet-ish. Anyways, point being, you need a lot more feet to reach the same amount of meters. And you need about 2.5 centimeters to get 1 inch. So meters are bigger than feet, but inches are bigger than centimeters. Crazy, right? And kilometers, you need around maybe 1.6 kilometers for 1 mile. You can round that up to 2 if you want. It depends. 60 miles per hour is around, let's say, 100 kilometers per hour, or thereabouts, maybe 110. Anyway, so that's the metric system versus imperial. Thanks for watching.